In this video, I am going to discuss the angle of elevation and angle of depression. First, what is angle of elevation? If a person stands and looks up at an object, the angle of elevation is the angle between the horizontal line of sight and the object. So, this is our angle of elevation. Since the sight of a person to object here and the horizontal line, the angle between the horizontal line and the sight and the object. So this is angle of elevation. Next is if a person stands and looks down at an object, the angle of elevation is the angle between the horizontal line of sight and the object, which we call angle of depression. So the angle of elevation is looks up, while the angle of depression is looks down. So the between, this is the angle of depression in the between of sight of a person to an object and the horizontal line. So this is the angle of depression. Problem number 1. A man is 1 meter tall. He is stand 50 meter away from the base of a building. His angle of elevation to the top of the building is 70 degrees. Calculate an estimate of the height of the building. Give your answer to an appropriate degree of accuracy. So, okay. First, we figure out the image of the building in the given. So this is the image that we are going to calculate. Okay. Solution. The label of sides of triangle, we have the opposite, this side, opposite, or the O, adjacent, or the A, and the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So, next, choose the correct ratio from SOHCAHTOA. So, we choose in SOHCAHTOA, we choose what is the ratio that we are going to use. So, TOA. So in the given, or in the triangle, A is known and the length O must be calculated. So the A is known and the O must be calculated. So the form of the given or the ratio is O over A. O over A. So in O over A, the ratio is T or the tan. Okay. So use tan opposite over adjacent. So you have tan 70, G over 50. So make G in the subject by multiplying both sides by 50. So the G is our subject and this is the result. It is G is equal to 50x tan 70. So if we input in the calculator, or if you have a scientific calculator, the answer is 137.4 meter. So assume that the man's eye level is approximately 1.7 above the ground. So the building is roughly 1.7 plus 137.4 is equal to 139.1 meter tall. So that is far too precise an estimate to an appropriate degree of accuracy. Note that this is also about the same degree of accuracy as the 50 meter and 70 degree that are used in the questions. So, thanks for watching. I am Romel Minlayan, a SCAT student.